and the delegates from all over India, the friends. On this occasion, I would like to say a few things. What are our problems and how best we can make efforts to solve those problems. The first and the foremost thing is the entire country is controlled by the Brahminical social order. In all walks of life, the Brahmins are still heading. Even in the political lives, they are heading. Our people may have a feeling that in our own state of Tamil Nadu, we have been ruling the state, but when it comes to the national level, we are being controlled by the Brahminical forces. If they are controlling us, then they are directing us also. The entire policy of the Government of India is framed by them. The system of reservation, as Dr. Bhupati has mentioned here, is not our creation. It is the rulers who wanted to give a reservation. Given a chance, we don't want reservation. What we want in this country is the equal opportunity, equity, equality. Friends, how to get that? Unless we are the policy framers of this nation, we cannot get what we want. And if we wanted to be policy framer of this nation, then we have to be at the helm of the affairs of this nation. And to be at the helm of the affairs of the nation, we have to have a strong organization. To have a strong organization, we have to have a common identity, which we do not have in the Brahminical social order. We have been divided in the thousands of castes, and we are organizing ourselves with the caste identity. If we organize ourselves with the caste identity, we are not serving our own purpose. We are serving the purpose of our enemies. We are serving the purpose of our opponents. And therefore, friends, the BAMSEF has regenerated the identity of a Moola Nivasi, the original inhabitants of these people. While taking rounds of the various stalls, our chief guest, I think, is well aware that the Brahmins, the Arya Brahmins, have divided us. And we are organizing ourselves in the identity in which they have placed us. Given a chance, we don't want to be scheduled caste. We don't want to be backward class. But it is not the identity we have adapted. It is an identity imposed by our enemies. It is an identity imposed by our opponents on we people. So if we start organizing under the identity which is assigned by our opponents, I think we will not be able to serve our own purpose. And therefore, friends, we have to organize with our own identity. You must understand this. The whole purpose of organizing this conference in the South India, that all scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, backward classes, minorities converted from these communities, they must come under one identity, that is an identity of aborigine people, the identity of a Mool Nivasi, and we should forget slowly the identity of the caste assigned by the Brahminical forces to us. This message must go down the ladder in entire South India. In the North India, we have been able to make some dents. And even in South India also, we would like to organize our people under the identity of Mool Nivasi. That is one thing I wanted to tell on this occasion. The another important thing which I would like to mention here, which is an organizational matter, is that I think this I should mention, Mr. Dhammi, in Hindi, because they should know the other thing is, दूसरी बात ये है जो मैं आज आपको जो बताना चाहता हूं वो ये है कि जब हमारी जनरल बॉडी की मीटिंग भोपाल में हुई थी, हम 2 दिन वहां बैठे थे, आप में से कहीं डिफरेंट स्टेट से डेलीगेट्स, जनरल बॉडी के डेलीगेट्स की हैसियत में आप लोगों ने वहां पार्टिसिपेट किया, और उसमें हमने ये निर्णय लिया कि अगर सही मायने में हमको इस आंदोलन को चलाना है तो नेशनल कन्वेंशन एक सेलिब्रेशन की फॉर्म में उसको ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं करते हुए हमारे सामने जो समस्याएं हैं, मूल निवासी आइडेंटिटी को समाज जीवन में पिरोने के लिए जो समस्या है, हमारी जो आर्थिक समस्याएं हैं, हमारी संगठन बनाने की समस्याएं हैं, इसलिए जो प्रीवियस फॉर्मेट जो था उसको हमने बदल देना चाहिए, ऐसा निर्णय हमने भोपाल में जनरल बॉडी में लिया। आप में से सभी तो जनरल बॉडी के सदस्य नहीं हो सकते, जो भी जनरल बॉडी के सदस्य वहां आए थे उन्होंने वहां पार्टिसिपेट किया। इसका जो फॉर्मेट में जो बदलाव लाया है वो बदलाव इस ढंग से है, और जो मेरी समझ में आया मामला वो जरूरी इसलिए है कि हमारा कार्यकर्ता अधिवेशनों में आता है, अधिवेशनों से जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के सीनियर लीडर हैं उनको सुनता है और सुन के चले जाता है। डेलीगेट सेशन में उसको अगर चांस मिलता है तो वो जो उसके मन में आता है वो बोल के चले जाता है। ये इसलिए होता है कि उसको सिर्फ सुनने की आदत पड़ी है, और सुनने से जितना ज्ञान मिलता है उसी ज्ञान को वो ग्रहण करता है और आगे चले जाता है। बुद्धिज्म में प्रज्ञा डिफाइंड है, प्रज्ञा, प्रज्ञा मतलब ज्ञान पाना, और उसमें 3 किस्म की प्रज्ञा बोली हुई है, बताई हुई है। एक है श्रुतिमय प्रज्ञा। श्रुतिमय प्रज्ञा का मतलब है सुनकर ज्ञान मिलाना। द प्रोफेसर्स इन द कॉलेजेस they teach and the student learn. What do they learn? They listen. So that, and by that also they acquire knowledge. So that is known as Shrutimay Pragya in Buddhism. But the problem of Shrutimay Pragya is it does not long last.